So this is kind of a short and sweet official welcome to the Rubik's WCA African Championship for 2024. Myself and the cubing ZA team who you've seen spotted around, really happy that we managed to make this come together for us.
Okay, 3x3 round one's happening right now at African Champs 2024.
Three by three went questionable. Yeah, it's not a good average, but it's fine. We got an 11 single, which is not good, but still. Damn it, bro.
It is day 3 at African Championship 2024 and I am very excited for 3x3 round 2.
I did. I think that's that's 2-2. Yeah. That's so. Oh.
Okay, hello Cubecurse fans and non-fans, stay fans and be fans. Cubecurse for the win!
Shout out to Cube Z.
Yay!
Oh no.
Let's go! Come on, focus. Isaac, you want to say something to vlog?
Hello chat. Christian is still very bad at OH and we want you to know that.
I agree.
Thank you. Kenny's also really short, not tall at all.
I'm taller than you.
And that's just some camera tricks.
Okay, bye Isaac.
Future Cubecurse here. I just want to say sorry for the bad quality, but I didn't even want to show you the full average of this round of semi-finals of 3x3 because it was that bad. I got DNF, bad solves. This is the only good solve and it's still a high 12, and you can use the background clapping. I just don't want to waste your time showing you bad solves.
Please bring your puzzles to the front. We'll fix the seating again. So find a seat on.
Bruh.
3x3. OH went mid. 3x3 went bad.
Subscribe to Cube Chris because I'm awesome, not because of him, and use discount Cube Chris at whatever store he's sponsored by.
Wait. Did he just say by whatever shop I'm sponsored by? Does he not know I'm sponsored by the best cubing store in South Africa? SpeedCubes.0 today. Use discount code CubeChris at checkout for 5% off your order and have an amazing day.
Hi guys, welcome to Champs. It's been pretty sucky, I won't lie, but yeah, that's all.
And here comes Isaac.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Josh, if I get sub 10, then you're cool. I don't know.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go.
What are you trying to tell me?
If I get over 15, you're cool. Yeah, sorry. Josh?
It's a +2, right? Yep, it's a +2.
Yeah.
1 second solve.
Thanks.
Hold on.
Big cube.
I think it's a miscramble. Scramble? May I? Oh my, why is it so heavy? Right?
I scrambled it, so it's not a miscramble, you know?
No, it's a miscramble.
Oh, okay. You just want a better
Ready?
scramble.
Yep. I want to do solve now.
Yes, you can do what's team 2. Yeah, it's Josh's. Yeah, I'm using it. Let's go.
Wow.
2.2 on Big Cube, bro.
Scramble?
Go.
It was one amazing comp, one experience I would never forget.
Hey Sam, you want to say something before I go?
Thank you for everybody who was there,
Failed AFR class.
for everybody that supported me.
Ruben.
Thank you for the best comp of my life.
Can I try?
You did not know.
Thank you for everything.